how to turn off or on translation setting on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on translation settings on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on language. And you have translation settings. Turn off or on this option to offer to send pages in another language to Google Translate. And this is it, guys. This is how you turn on translation language on your Google Chrome. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.